Hi all, I am Bhartish. Welcome to the second video in the series of Getting Started with Selenium. In this video, we will be setting up our local machine for Selenium. As discussed in the previous video, we need four things. We need Java, we need a text editor, we need Selenium library, and finally we need the driver. So go to the browser. So first we will download Java from jdk.java.net. As we know, now Java is licensed version, so we will be using OpenJDK for our series. Go to this URL, javajdk.net, and select the Java version 8. Then come down, click on the link where it says Windows 10 Java Development Kit. I am going to cancel it as I have already downloaded this one. Next, we need a text editor. As we discussed before, we will use Eclipse in this series. So basically go ahead to eclipse.org and click on download. And do not download the latest version, as Java is releasing Java versions so frequently. So the latest packages of Eclipse do not support Java 8. So click on download packages. And right side come down where it says Eclipse 2020-12. Click on that link and click on the link according to your operating system. I'm going to click Windows and click on download. I'll cancel this one as well. Next, we will download Selenium. So if we go ahead to selenium.dev, click on downloads, come down where it says Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. So since we are using Java, we will download Java. If we see, there are two download options, one for the beta version and one for the stable version. To keep the series simple, we will be using the stable version. Click on download. And finally, we need Chrome driver. So go ahead to chromedriver.chromium.org/downloads. And this step is important because we have to download a correct Chrome driver version which is compatible with our browser. To know the version of our Chrome browser, open a new tab, click on these three dots, go to Help, click on About Chrome, and see which version of Chrome you are using. Accordingly, you select the driver. So I'll select this one and then select the operating system. So once we have downloaded all the necessary items, place them in a single folder. I have a folder called Selenium where I have pasted all these four items. So now we will set up our environment. So now we will start extracting all the files that we have downloaded. First, we will extract Java. And for simplicity, just rename the folder as Java 8. So now we need to tell our system, take the Java in this directory for our system. So go inside the folder, go inside bin, copy the location, right click on your PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and where it says system variables, if Java home is already created, you can edit that path to whatever the path that we have created now, except bin. If it is not there, you can simply go and create new, say it java_home and paste that value. And one more thing we need to change is path. So go inside path. If the Java path is already not added, then we can click on new, or if Java path, something which says Java JDK, if it is already there, then just replace with the Java directory which we have downloaded. So to know things are working fine as of now, open a command prompt, check java-version. So this should give this output. So we have successfully installed Java. So now second thing, now we will be extracting Eclipse. Again, for simplicity, just rename the folder as Eclipse. Go inside Eclipse and click on this eclipse.exe. Once it is open, we will be prompted to select our workspace. So since we are keeping everything in this folder, so I am going to select the same folder. Then I'll just say inside Selenium folder, I'll just say Selenium workspace, and we hit on launch. Once Eclipse workspace is open, we will be greeted with the welcome page. So just close this one. So this is the blank workspace that we get. So now we will create a project. Either we can click on create project, or we can go file, new, and Java project. We will name this project as Getting we'll name this as Getting Started with Selenium, and where it's a JRE version, we will select 1.8. Then we'll click on next, and we click on finish. So our Java project is ready. So as a tradition, to check whether our environment is working fine or not, we will create one hello world Java program and see whether our setup is ready to go ahead with Selenium or not. So new class, I'll say hello world, and as we see the warning, we are not supposed to create the class directly under source. We need packages. So I'll just give package name and click on finish. So now we know we need a main method. So public static void main string args system dot out dot, and we say hello to the world. And save the file, right click, run as Java application, and we see hello world in the console. Our setup is ready to go.